Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're going to go over the Baja Bronco by Revell. This was given to me for the kit exchange for Christmas. Now this particular kit has to be built by next Thanksgiving's meeting in our local club here in Phoenix. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, right away this looks pretty cool. And let's take a look at what we got. Got the clear pieces right there. All look pretty good. Take a look at that body. Now this has got a different body than the previous issue, the stock version. They got opened up wheel wells here. So this is a little bit different. This is a pretty neat kit so far. Take a look at that. Nice body. Riveted on fender well pieces. There's the roof. And we got 4 tires here. They look like there's no brand name on them, but they got really good tread. You see that? See that tread on there? Really good looking tire though. Really nice. And our chrome tree, let's take that out of the bag. We got 4 of the chrome reverse wheels, you know, like a steel wheel, it's chrome. 4 hubcaps, stock grill, stock bumpers. Very nice pieces here in this. Very high quality. Looks like we got a separate intake and 4-barrel carburetor. That looks pretty good. What else we got here? Looks like a 302. Very nice, very nice. Separate timing cover. There's our engine. Radiator support, tire carrier. Nice shocks. Look how detailed those are. Can you see those? Those are great. Let's go to the next piece here. Now, separate floorboard from the interior. Doesn't have an interior tub. You got to build it. So that's pretty cool. And it's got, looks like texture for the carpeting or rubber mat, whatever you choose to put on there. A roll cage, roll bar there, steering column. That's really nice. Nice instrument panel. And there's our seats and a rear seat. Another piece of the roll cage there. Piece of the side of the seat. That's pretty neat. And then here's our axles. Front and rear axle there. Okay. I think these are part of the rear axle and front axle pieces. There's our radiator hoses. All right, there's a separate frame. Exhaust, looks like some glass packs on there. That looks pretty neat. Leaf springs. Separate linkages. It's pretty cool. And there's our inner side panels for the interior, a hood, back of the seats, separate clutch and brake pedal and accelerator, separate windshield frame. It's great. This is a great kit. And there's our book. There. Let's see what the decals look like. Oh, decals are pretty neat. Decals come with seat inserts. That's pretty cool. Some numbers to make it racing numbers. License plates. Ford logos. That's great. This is a great kit. And I have built this before. I built the stock version of this that didn't have these large wheel openings. Let me show you that. See, take a look at the difference here. See those wheel openings in the back are stock on this orange one. I built this issue, and then this is the Baja version there. So, and this was the stock version from before. It's a great kit. These are great Broncos, and I do highly recommend you buy them. Okay, watch for this on an upcoming video on the program. All right, another great kit from Revell. All right, this is the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.